Today, we're diving into the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 15.6-inch FHD business laptop, a versatile machine designed to cater to a wide range of needs, from everyday tasks to professional endeavors. Let's kick things off with the unboxing experience. As we open the box, we're greeted with a sleek, almond-colored laptop that immediately catches the eye. The French-Canadian keyboard adds a touch of sophistication, and the upgrade to 16GB DDR4 RAM and 512GB SSD promises smooth performance right out of the gate. Moving on to the specifications, this laptop boasts a 15.6-inch FHD TN display with anti-glare technology, ensuring crisp visuals without unwanted reflections. Under the hood, we find the Intel Core i7-1065G7 processor, a powerhouse with 4 cores and 8 threads, capable of handling demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're multitasking, streaming content, or crunching numbers, the i7 family CPU delivers impressive performance. Connectivity options are plentiful, with 1x USB 2.0, 2x USB 3.1 Gen 1, 1x HDMI 1.4b, and a 4-in-1 SD card reader, offering flexibility for various peripherals and external devices. Windows 10 Home 64-bit comes pre-installed, making it ready for a wide array of applications, from online classes to remote work and entertainment. But how does it fare in real-world usage? In our tests, we found the laptop to be responsive and snappy, handling everyday tasks with ease. Whether we were browsing the web, editing documents, or streaming videos, the performance remained consistently smooth. The Iris Plus graphics enhance the visual experience, making multimedia content come to life with vibrant colors and sharp details. Overall, the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 15.6-inch FHD business laptop impresses with its blend of performance, connectivity, and sleek design. Whether you're a student, professional, or small business owner, this laptop offers the versatility and reliability to meet your needs. With its upgraded RAM and SSD, it's ready to tackle whatever you throw at it, making it a worthy investment for anyone in need of a reliable computing companion. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.